guys, welcome to Bright Future YouTube channel. My name is Nomsa Mashaba, and today I'll be having you for mathematics, and we'll be doing revision on number patterns, and we'll be doing 2014 paper 1 arithmetic sequences and series. Okay guys, before we can get into today's lesson, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please kindly do so. Also share, like, and comment the video. Okay guys, let's get into today's lesson. Okay, in front of us, we are given a number pattern which starts with 18, 24, 30, so on, and our last term is 300. Okay, 18 is our T1, 24 is our T2, 30 is our T3. And then here we have missing terms, and then 300 is our last term, which is L. So when we subtract 18 from 24, we get 6. And then when we subtract 24 from 30, we get 6. So our difference is 6. So this shows that our sequence is really an arithmetic sequence. So guys, in this case, we are going to say our first term, which is 18, will be our A, and then, as I said before, our 300 is our L, which is our last term. And yeah, let's get into question number A. Question number A says we should calculate the number of terms. Okay, the number of terms is our N. Okay, remember our arithmetic formula is Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 times D. So our number of terms is N here. So we need to calculate N. So guys, in order to calculate N, we need to know our Tn. Our Tn will be 300. And our A, as I said before, it's going to be our T1, which is 18, plus N minus 1. And our D is our difference, which is 6. And then when we take this 18 to the other side, it will be minus. So it's 300 minus 18. It's equals to N minus 1 times 6. And then from 300 minus 18, we get 282. It's equals to N minus 1 times 6. And we divide both sides by 6. And 6 and 6 cancel. This side will be left with N minus 1. And then 282 divided by 6. It's equals to 47. And then remember, we are looking for N. So if we take our negative 1, this side is going to be positive. So it's going to be 47 plus 1. It's equals to N. So 48 is equals to N. Therefore, N is equals to 48. Okay. Therefore, guys, there are 48 terms in this sequence. Okay guys, let's move on to question B. Our question B says we should calculate the sum of the series. Okay, we should know the equation for our sum of the series. So our equation for the sum of the series is, our formula is Sn is equals to n over 2 into A plus L. So as we calculated from our previous question, n is 48, and then 2 is from our formula, and then our A is 18, and then our L, as I said before, is going to be our last term, which is 300. So 48 divided by 2 is equals to 24, and then times 18 plus 300, which is 318, which is going to give us 7,632. So that's our sum of the series. Okay guys, let's move on to our question 2 from June 2015. So guys, June 2015, the given equation, we have 4, 13, and 22. So when we subtract 4 from 13, it's 9. 13 from 22 is 9. So our difference is 9. As usual, our A is our first term, which is 4. And then, yeah, let's answer question 2.1. 2.1 says that we should calculate the next term, which is term number 4. So here I said T4, the formula for calculating the next term is T4 is equals to T3 plus the difference. So our T3 is 22, our difference is 9, and then we get 31 as our T4. Okay guys, let's move on to question 2.2. Question 2.2 wants us to calculate the general term. Okay guys, for the general term, we know that the arithmetic formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. Our A, we know that is our first term, which is 4, and then our D, it's going to be 9, which is our difference. So when we are going to times 9 by this n and times it again by this minus 1. So we are going to get 4 plus 1 plus 9n minus 9. That will give us 9n minus 5. So this is our general term, which is Tn. So question 2.3 says that we should calculate T80. So from the general formula that we calculated, which is Tn is equals to 9n minus 5, where we see n, we'll replace it with 80. So T80 is equals to 9 times 80 minus 5. So our T80 is equals to 750. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you understood. As usual, if you haven't understood, please leave a comment under the comment section below. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in.